We'll show you exactly how to download and play Google Play Store apps on your laptop or PC. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Using this method, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite mobile games and apps on a bigger screen with smoother performance. Let's get started. First, head to the link in the pinned comment or video description. It will take you to the official BlueStacks website. That's our affiliate link, which supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Once you're there, click on Download BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to install and use apps directly from the Google Play Store on your computer. After downloading, open your Downloads folder, find the installer file, and double-click it. Follow the on-screen instructions. Then press the Install button at the bottom right. The setup will take a few minutes. Just be patient while it installs. When the installation finishes, BlueStacks should open automatically. If it doesn't, you can search for BlueStacks 5 in your PC search bar and open it manually. Once BlueStacks opens, you'll see the home screen. From here, click on the Google Play Store icon. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to access the store, just like on a mobile device. Now you can search for any app or game you want using the search bar at the top. For example, try searching Candy Crush, click Install, and once it's done, hit play to start the game. If you go back to the home screen, you'll find the installed app ready to open anytime. And that's it. You can now download and play Google Play Store apps right on your computer with BlueStacks.